What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Um, this is going to be a quick update. I know I haven't been on in a while posting new content. I've been behind the scenes doing a lot of work on the channel. I'm also making some big changes to the channel when it comes to uh, the travel stuff. I'm creating a new travel channel, so all my like traveling, like all the stuff I do with Japan, weekend getaways, all that stuff. That's gonna be on a new dedicated travel channel. So that way, the algorithms, I guess, I've talked to other YouTubers, kind of get confused because is this a travel channel? Is it a motorcycle channel? So it's probably my best interest to move all that stuff to another channel and keep my motorcycle stuff separate. So I'm doing that. I'm creating a new travel channel. It's gonna be a C Marty Travel. I'll put the link for that in the description below. So if you want to join to check out some of my travel stuff, that link will be there. It'll be greatly appreciated. And the motorcycle stuff will be on this channel, the C Marty 9101. So that'll be all the motorcycle stuff. So I still have the motorcycle travel, motorcycle trips, rides, maintenance, upgrades, and all kinds of stuff. All that stuff will be on the C Marty 9101. So this channel right here will still have all that stuff. Speaking of the bike, I have some stuff coming up for it. I know I haven't really posted anything. I have stuff for it right now, but I live in Chicago. I do not have a heated garage. So today it's currently 9 degrees outside, minus the wind chill. So yeah, I'm not gonna sit out there and work on the bike in this weather. On top of that, work. I've been working a lot, 7-12 hour days. I've done some travel for the Navy and family stuff, so I haven't really had a whole lot of time to do a whole lot, but I am working on some stuff. As you can see, hopefully on the channel, I've changed a couple of things around, did some banners and stuff, so I've been working on some stuff, but yeah, it's just been a little hectic right now. But some stuff is coming down the road. I do have some upgrades that I'm gonna do to the bike, or more like aftermarket mods. A few things here and there to enhance, make the bike a little bit nicer. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I threw a couple hints in there already about some of the upgrades that I'm planning on doing to the bike. So follow me on those, C Marty 9101 on both Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description for that as well. I mean, in the description of the YouTube channel as well, for those if you're interested. But yeah, I got a couple of things coming down the road with that. As well as far as travel, right now, so far, the only thing that we really have planned is Indian Bike Week. They're doing a world record ride, so I'll probably be heading out there for that, and that's in upstate Wisconsin, near the Minnesota border-ish, right around that area. Yeah, I'm trying to be part of a world record attempt, so hopefully if we get it, and I'll be a world record holder. So got that one. We're doing a ride with some friends down to Ohio. We're still working on all the plans for that. Yeah, aside from that, nothing set in stone yet, but we're planning on doing some weekend getaway stuff. Trying to do as much riding as I possibly can between family, Navy, and work. There's not a lot of time to get out and ride as much as I would love to. So hopefully I'll be able to carve out some more time this year, put more miles on the bike than I have been. As far as the bike, a few things that I'm planning on doing. I have some interior pieces that I'm kind of working on. The seat, I'm probably gonna do an update on that. I had some work done by Alligator Bob on the seat. give you my thoughts on that, and plans for the future for the seat. I'm currently trying to decide which bars I want to go with, because I need to change out the bars. I got some aftermarket lighting that I want to put on the bike, so I'm gonna do some how-to videos on those. Yeah, that's just a few of the things that I got working on. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you guys know I'm still live, and the channel is still gonna have content going on it. I just haven't really had time right now. So once the weather becomes a little bit better and I carve out some free time, I will plan on working on the bike and getting some more content out for it. But right now it's kind of moving stuff around and doing some enhancements right now on the YouTube channel, trying to make it a little bit nicer and a little bit more streamlined, so that way people know what's going on with it and what my channel really is about. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick little update and let you guys know what's going on. Hopefully I'll be able to get some content soon and start working on my bike, because I miss it. I want to go on the bike and I want to do some wrenching on it. I like working on the bike. So if there's anything you want to see with the bike, kind of maintenance wise, or maybe some upgrades, let me know in the comments below, because I'm always willing to try to help somebody out. If there's some maintenance I'm going to do on the bike that you'd be interested in seeing, if it's down there, could record it and put it up there, because there's some stuff that maybe some people might not really care about. So unless I know you guys want to see it, I might not record it. But yeah, let me know if there's something that you want to do. If there's any rides, I'm located in Chicago, so if there's any rides in the Midwest, Iowa, Chicago, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Missouri, anywhere around like those areas, or even I've rode down to Tennessee and Kentucky, all in places, let me know. I'm always looking for somewhere to go to, so hopefully I can get out and meet some of y'all and ride and check out some new places. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Like I said, it was gonna be short and sweet, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up what's going on with the channel. So thanks for sticking around this long, and hopefully I'll have some new content for you guys soon. And like I said, check out my C Marty Travel channel. I'll put the link in the description, and probably in the description of the homepage as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, you only live once, so live life to the fullest. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.